President Trump is a total and complete dipshit.
Can you believe that Obama just called Trump a dipshit? How about when Tom Cruise played Iron Man? Or when the Queen delivered her alternative Christmas speech?
I haven't always been able to speak plainly and from the heart.
Do you think these videos are real? Or are they just like some sort of manipulation? Keep your eyes wide open until the end of this video if you want to know more about this technological advancement that can make people say or do anything they did not do. We hear a lot about how artificial intelligence and machine learning are advancing many aspects of our lives. With it, we can learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. But like many other technologies, the use of AI can have opposing sides as well. One area which has received massive attention in the last couple of years is the creation of deepfakes. Over the past few years, deepfakes have entered mainstream consciousness, blurring the line between real and fake media. And as technology improves, it threatens to make that difference fully indiscernible. If you want to put new words in a politician's mouth, see your favorite star act in your favorite movie, or see yourself dancing like a pro, then this is the answer to your problem. Deepfake is a term used for video or audio files created using artificial intelligence. It uses machine learning to fabricate events that have never really happened.
When there's so many haters, I really don't care because their data has made me rich.
It has become a catch-all to describe everything from state-of-the-art videos generated by AI to any image that seems potentially fraudulent. To create a deepfake video of someone, a creator would first train a neural network on many hours of actual video footage to the person to give it a realistic understanding of what they look like from many angles under different lightings. Deepfake videos are definitely on the rise. Anonymous people can go online and insert anybody they want to in whatever video they like. Many websites and applications are now able to create this kind of video in just a few seconds. One example of this is the deepfake Chinese app named Zhao, which has taken the internet by storm. I've made George Washington sing disco and Marilyn Monroe blow me a kiss with just a photo and an iPhone app. I can create a video of any face saying or singing whatever I want, says Geoffrey Fowler. Deepfakes are potent tools that bad actors can use for exploitation and disinformation. It could also influence elections and erode trust. This is a difficult time moving forward. We need to be more vigilant with what we trust from the internet. It's a time when we need to rely on trusted news sources, says Jordan Peele. There's growing concern that this new technology could become a danger to our democracy in the wrong hands. However, the most immediate threat presented by deepfakes is not political, it's pornography. Many people are now using women's faces to produce porn videos they never consented to be in. So deepfake is very harmful, even when people know it's not real. In a survey conducted in September 2019, researchers at DeepTrace found that of the deepfake videos they could identify online, 96% were pornographic. Taking a woman's face and putting it into this context is part of a long history of using sexual humiliation against women.
I was just shocked because this is my face. It belongs to me.
This form of harassment is what makes deepfakes porn videos so invasive. The video creator takes away a victim's control of their face and uses it for something else they never wanted. Anyone's face can simply be put into frames and create videos like these. How would you feel if you were a victim of this kind of situation? Noelle Martin, a victim of deepfake videos, was not a celebrity. She was just a typical person living everyday life. Yet, her fake nude pictures and videos are on many different porn sites. This is probably one of the most difficult things because fake porn in my name will forever be associated, she said. My future children will have to see things. My future husband will have to see things. And that's what makes me sad. Another situation is when a Pennsylvania mother appeared on the news in March 2021. She was accused of creating deepfake images to harass members of her daughter's cheerleading team anonymously. Rafaela Spoon allegedly bullied 3 girls who were members of the Doylestown Victory Vipers cheerleading team over the summer. She created false images that made it look like the girls were nude, drinking alcohol, and vaping. She also sent texts from phone numbers purchased online, urging one girl to kill herself. These videos are difficult to detect. Several US laws regarding deepfakes have taken effect over the past years, which are introducing bills to criminalize deepfake pornography and prohibit the use of deepfakes in the context of an election. Regardless of the issues in which deepfake is involved, we cannot deny that it still has its positive uses. Cereproc, a Scottish company based in Edinburgh, creates digital voices for people who lose theirs from disease.
We believe that speech synthesis could and should be used more widely than today.
Computer scientist Supastorn Suwajanakorn believes that this technology could offer students a better chance of learning.
Wouldn't it be great if we could bring him back to give his lectures and inspire millions of kids?
If you also ever thought of seeing your beloved dead ones back to life, a deepfake tool, MyHeritage Deep Nostalgia feature, has made it possible for you. It's a bit uncanny, don't you think? The transition to this new world is going to be difficult, and there is still a long way to go before we can fully ensure our safety using this technology. On the one hand, it is amusing, but on the other, it's a tremendous responsibility. So, we must distinguish what is fake from what is accurate before we click the button. What are your thoughts about this technology? Let us know in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. If you did, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more substantial and awesome videos like this one. Thanks for watching.